In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Clickup. If you're new here, Clickup is an all-in-one productivity platform that brings everything related to your work into one place. It can be a real game changer when managing your projects, tasks, and now databases. So let's dive in and get started. First, navigate to Clickup's website. You can simply type Clickup into your search bar and it should be one of the first links you come across. Click in and you're on your way. Once you're on their homepage, look for the login button. Usually it's located at the top right corner of your screen, so give that a click. You'll be directed to a login page, but if you find it easier to use, you can choose the sign in with Google option. This might streamline your process a bit, especially if you're already logged into your Google account. Go ahead and select your Google account from the list and you'll be logged into Clickup in just a moment. Once you're in, look to the side of your screen for a series of icons or options. You should see something resembling 3 dots. Clicking on this will reveal additional options. In this menu, look for the templates option. Go ahead and click that to dive deeper into the various templates Clickup offers. Now under templates, you'll see a button labeled Browse Templates. Click that to explore a range of pre-configured templates. You'll notice a little search bar which can be super handy. Here, type in database to narrow down your options to what we are really here for. Once the search results come up, it's time to pick the template that most closely meets your needs. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's select a simple option such as the landing page database. This allows us to see how these templates can be used in a realistic setting. Click on the template, and you may be prompted to take a peek or use the template directly. For now, click Use Template. Here, it's a good idea to rename your database to something meaningful for your project. This small step helps keep everything organized as your team grows over time. After renaming, hit Use Template again to apply it to your project. Then navigate back to where you'll find and click on the database template you just created. This is your own sandbox now. Feel free to tweak everything as you see fit. Add columns, adjust data fields, and make it yours. If you need to make more detailed edits, go for it. You'll notice tools that allow you to edit further, tailoring the database to suit your individual or team needs. That's it. You've successfully created a database in Clickup, optimized specifically for your workflow. Remember, it's a flexible tool designed to adapt to your ever-changing workspace needs. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing.